Here's the satellite that I got with that Compaq. We're going to see what's on it. Touch with tomorrow. Press F2 for setup. I don't know the exact specs. Oh, Windows 7. Let's fix the settings here. Let's just start normally, see what happens. Oh, it's Vista. Oh, duh, Vista Basics, the sticker on here. That just looks really good. Look at that. Speakers work. Welcome. Vista Home Basic. Of course. Ooh, look at that. Got original edge. Original OS. Let's fix this. Look at that. This monitor is actually pretty freaking good. I think it's better than the Dell, which is also a Samsung. Samsung didn't make this, it just got a Samsung picture tube. Plugged in, not charging. Yep, the battery's completely dead. Yes, the monitor my mom and brother saw on the side of the road. He gave it to me since we got the gateway at that garage sale. This has all the crapware. Got AOL. Katie May. It's pretty slow, as you'd expect. The hell's that all about? Should set it to 1024 by 768. Toshiba satellite. T2060 at 1.6 gigahertz. Office PC. Slow PC. I set this thing at 1280 by 1024 and it still looked good. 448 megabytes of RAM, which is 512 shared with the graphics. 2006, 2009, 2010. Any music? No downloads. My Google Gadgets, Week 5, Class Notes, 2007. Mom's Notes, 2007. (2010). Oh, look at that. Dallas, well, didn't get this in Dallas, got it in Fort Worth. Which technically I live in Fort Worth, but there's different areas. Yeah, this monitor looks pretty good. I like it. It's got no base, which is fine for me with this little computer desk setup I have. Like I'm in an apartment or something with limited space. Okay, I don't know her. How does the video look? I'm propping up the phone on my shoulder. It's a rear projection TV. Maybe there's a TV in this photo. Oh, it's an iArt. Really? I didn't know there's iArt rear projection TVs. That's the JVC. Oh, there's a monitor. It's Dell. Got a Dell behind me. Oh, Facebook. Look at that. 2008. Holy crap. Look at that. That's one hell of a throwback. Look at that. 2008. I made mine in 2012 and deleted it in 2019. Oh, there's a CRT. Sesame Street. Oh, it's an Apex. Oh, Lasonic, whatever that is. Magnavox Funai. DVD player. Is that another Dell? Yeah, it's a D610 or something. Solitaire. D610, D510. 2009. So yeah, we saw some old TVs. Oh, we're not done yet. There's the Apex again. What camera is that? Look at that font. Thing's giant compared to him. Actually, it's like a cassette deck. Who the hell has a cassette deck by their TV? Oh wait, I do. Yahoo Music Jukebox. Here's the wallpapers. So yeah, now that's the end of the video. Here's the newest dates in the temp folder.